Alright, so I got to thinking about this diesel build that I'm going to do. It comes tomorrow, and there's no electronics on it. So there's no coils or anything or spark plugs. It all goes by compression and heat. And you can get a thing called the runaway, and I'm going to burn some really weird fuel and stuff in this, so I don't know if that could happen. And the only way to do that is actually to constrict the air going in and smother it, which would be brutally hard with an air filter on it and stuff. So that's not an option. Smothering it like that's not really an option. There's no carb or anything to choke out and stuff. So I have this, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. I got an idea. It should work, and I can always change it later, but I got some diode parts and stuff I'm going to use, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Alright, so I had a bunch of diode parts left over, so I said, well, those are perfect for this. But this is going to work out great. So I got to plug that one yet, and then we should be good to go.